What's up? We're in downtown Vancouver right now. We're trying to food truck today. It's a hamburger place. It's got a bunch of great reviews. I couldn't believe that a $3 burger could be that good, but apparently it is. Or so we think.
Whack burger.
We're trying and see what happens. That's it, man. We're here at the food truck. Maxwell's getting 2 burgers apparently. I'm gonna go just get a regular burger, see how it tastes, or do a little taste test, go from there.
Talking under $9, 2 burgers, a drink. Not much else to say about that. Yeah, it's a steal.
I mean, I'm sort of...
How'd they look?
It looked... I don't know. I don't know yet. I don't know how it looked yet, but it's worth trying. It's got, like, a lot of people have great things to say about it. I don't know, it's sort of sometimes you assume quality with price. And I think this may be one of those instances where that rule does not apply. So we'll see, man. $5, it's like cheaper than McDonald's.
Yeah, that's it. That's it. Get like a little shot in there. Yeah. That's today.
Does that look safe to you, Michael?
That does not look safe.
We're gonna do a little taste test, see what happens. Did you get 2? Okay, he got 2.
Yeah. This is what it is. It's a $4 burger. I'm not gonna say it's cash, but yeah, it's alright.
I haven't had like a proper taste yet.
Okay.
I'm gonna say this. For $3, it's really good. It's better than like any fast food burger.
$3.99, no tax for
This was $2.99, dude. I mean, I think it's actually really good for the price. Like if you're ever hungry, if you're ever downtown, you just want like a burger or something. I mean, you can't really go wrong with this. Is it the best value meal from a food truck downtown? We'll find out throughout this series should we continue doing it. But like I'm actually like pretty satisfied with this right now. Like it's actually quite good. So I don't know. Well, I'll keep eating this and I'll let you know what happens. But what's that one you're eating right now? Because I just got the cheeseburger.
It's a double burger.
It's just the double burger, no cheese.
That's teriyaki cheese.
I'm probably gonna get another one.
Here's the teriyaki cheese. Here we go. That's good. That's good.
Better
It's
than the other one?
It's like they're using American cheese, the Kraft singles.
Right.
So it melts really well.
Yeah, it does. It is Kraft singles.
Is this the hangout spot? Just hanging out. Have you had the burgers there?
Really?
Have you had the burgers there? At Whack Burger?
The ones over here? Over here?
The burger across the street. Have you had them? Have you had them before?
Once.
Really good.
You like them?
$3 something.
Yeah.
Like under $4. Pretty good. Yeah, it's pretty good.
Enjoy it.
Thank you, sir. You too. Definitely getting another one. On a scale from 1 to 10, how good was that?
It was 7. It's sort of small.
Okay, but taste-wise,
Burgers
quality-wise,
were sort of thin. I don't know. Wasn't a lot of meat there.
there wasn't or there was?
Wasn't.
Taste-wise, though.
It's all right. I mean, I like the teriyaki one more. There's more sauce on it, but
Okay.
I've had better.
What was better?
Frankly. Not at that price point, though.
Exactly. I wonder how long it would take for your car to get towed. If it just came downtown and just parked it in an alley. Like, how long do you think it would take?
I give it an hour.
An hour?
Yeah.
I feel like
Who's reporting that? There's not a guy walking
I feel like
down
if you're
alleys.
parked in an alley,
No one's walking down
you're probably
alleys checking
supposed to
if
be
there's cars.
parked there. Exactly. I think if you're parked there, like I assume this
Well,
guy.
there's no one parked down these alleys, right?
But I assume that whoever is supposed to park there and is able to.
Yeah, I probably went. Then where do you go? Who do you tell? Who do you tell if there's a car parked in an alley?
Yeah, I don't know.
Call
like,
the police?
I'm just thinking,
I mean-
like, if I park in an alley, I'd probably get away with it. That's what I'm saying. We end up making like one of those police videos. We tried the burgers. $3. What was it? $2.85. At the end of the day, the conclusion is it's pretty good for the price. Nothing crazy, nothing out of the ordinary. But hey, if you're downtown and you want to get like a quick bite, you're hungry, you can't really go wrong with that place. So
It's
that's
it's the hustle meal.
It's like the hustle meal. Like you're running around, you're doing stuff. You can just quickly grab it. 3 minutes done. $3, 3 minutes. Three burgers.
3.5.
That's it.
I gave it 3.5 stars. That was
If we're
great.
doing stars, probably like 3.5 stars. Yeah. I mean, come on. They use craft singles cheese. I mean, how good?
Fair enough.
Hey, nothing wrong with craft singles, by the way. I don't want to get sued for defamation this early on in the game. Burger was less than half an hour of parking in Vancouver. None. Any final words, Maxwell?
Sometimes the best food doesn't cost the most.
We're cutting that.